Now, this week, the Trump campaign filed roughly a dozen lawsuits, most of them attempting to stop the counting of votes or disqualify batches of ballots. Many of them have been dismissed on lack of merit. 41 Action News reporter Mackenzie Nelson talked with an expert about what they can expect will happen with the president challenging the outcome of the election.
President Trump and his legal team continue with their accusations of voter fraud after it was reported that President-elect Joe Biden was projected to be the winner.
A team will file more lawsuits if they find evidence in different states of voter fraud. But if they have no evidence, then it doesn't go anywhere. And then, we're at January 20th.
Within minutes of the announcement, President Trump and his campaign released a statement saying, quote, "The election is far from over." Hours later, he took to Twitter where he continued his claims of voter fraud, which have been unfounded.
Unless they have evidence of some kind of a huge deal, I can't see any shot of a judge looking at these cases and overturning a lot of the votes. But you never know, right? If they produce the evidence, then things might change. But we haven't really seen that yet.
President Trump also tweeted about the 71 million votes he received, setting a record by an incumbent president, but the votes were not enough.
This happened on the other side in 2016, where a lot of people didn't want to accept the election result. You have to do that. That's kind of the way the system works, and try to find a way forward for the country.
During his campaign for re-election, President Trump encouraged Republicans to vote in person on Election Day, while large numbers of supporters of President-elect Biden chose to mail in their ballots. In most states, Election Day votes are counted before absentee and mail-in ballots.
I wasn't surprised by, the couple days that it took to kind of tally up all the ballots. I mean, it really kind of makes us think about kind of the future and how most states should probably move to doing the mail-in ballots first before the day of ballots.
If President Trump takes legal action, he would have to go to court in each state where he claims voter fraud. In Kansas City tonight, Mackenzie Nelson, 41 Action News.